This isn't real. It wasn't made by Google, and honestly, it might be better than anything you've seen before. What you're looking at comes from a surprising name in the AI race, a rising titan that's changing everything. If this is your first time here, welcome. This is your complete step-by-step guide to unlock this powerful tool for free. To prove everything, I'm using a brand new Google account. The goal is simple. By the end of this video, this trick works for you. And since I'm putting in all this effort to make sure you succeed, a quick subscribe, like, and bell notification means a lot. It's free and helps me keep bringing you this kind of high-value content. For starters, you need a VPN. I use a wide range of VPNs, but my top picks are Goose VPN and NordVPN. If you're not in Nigeria, I recommend going with NordVPN. I am in Nigeria, so I do not need to connect to Nigeria. So open your NordVPN, the link is down below. Connect to Nigeria. With your Nigerian connection active, head over to Dreamina. Click the top right and create a brand new account. Pro tip: use a Google account that's never been registered on the site before. It's the safest way. You can use a fake birthday if needed. Close any pop-ups and look for the magic signal. 0 credits. If you see that, you're on the right track. Now, the final step. This is where most people get stuck. The generator looks locked, but that's actually part of the plan. Go back to your VPN and switch your location to the United Kingdom. This is the second half of the reliable combo. Connect to the UK, return to the Dreamina page, and hit refresh. Just like that, the platform unlocks. Quick answer to a common question. Do you need to keep the VPN on? Nope. You only need it for the initial setup. Once you're on the generator page, you can turn off the VPN and everything still works fine. Now that we're in, I'm going to walk you through some incredible examples, one by one. Stick around after the demos. I'll reveal a few crucial details you need to know to make this work for you perfectly, long term. Let's start with something stunning. A majestic white horse gallops across a golden meadow at sunset, its mane flowing in the wind. Wildflowers sway gently in the breeze as soft rays of sunlight break through distant clouds. The realism, the lighting, the detail, it's absolutely breathtaking. The quality is just insane. The detail, the atmosphere, it's top-notch. Now, let's try a multi-scene prompt. A young girl reads a glowing book beneath a tree filled with fireflies. Cut to a futuristic city skyline at night. Neon lights reflecting off glass towers as flying cars zip past. Cut to a quiet mountaintop where monks meditate under a star-filled sky. What makes this tool so powerful is how well it understands story transitions, all within a single prompt. Let's try another complex prompt. A group of astronauts floats inside a space station, surrounded by glowing control panels. Cut to outside the station. The Earth slowly rotates in the background as one astronaut performs a spacewalk. Cut to a control room back on Earth where scientists monitor the mission, their faces lit by the glow of data screens. The consistency in characters, settings, and lighting, I swear, is next level. Now, let's be real. These models aren't perfect. Watch what happens with this prompt. A pirate ship battles a sea monster in a violent storm, lightning flashing across the sky. Cut to, the ship's crew struggles to hold the ropes as waves crash over the deck. Cut to, Deep beneath the sea, the glowing eyes of the monster approach through murky water. It sometimes glitches. Weird artifacts might show up. Sometimes things look off. That's just how AI works. The real skill is knowing when to hit retry. Don't get discouraged if it fails once. Just run it again. Now that we've got a great clip, let's add some sound. Click the video, select Generate Soundtrack, then click Customize. You'll see options like Cinematic, Epic, Ambient. For this one, Cinematic is the obvious choice. Hit Generate, and just like that, the vibe completely changes. Click the download button to save the videos to your device. Alright, here are those crucial details I promised. First, if you see a long queue, don't panic. The tool's popular. It's not broken, just overloaded. Be patient. Secondly, some of you have noticed a cap, around 20 videos per day. This seems like a soft limit they're testing. Is it truly unlimited? Maybe not. But still, 20 free, high-quality videos a day? That's hard to beat. Third, is it better than VO3? According to benchmarks, this tool actually outperforms VO3. But don't just trust the numbers. Here is a side-by-side video using the same prompts. Watch that and decide for yourself. And finally, the trick. Some people say sharing this will get it patched. Maybe. But I believe in sharing knowledge. If it ever stops working, I'll update the pinned comment. I'm not here to trick anyone. I just want us all to access incredible tools while we can. And that's everything. I hope this definitive guide answers all your questions. If you found it helpful, go ahead, give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's keep creating.